Hello, the spring is in the air and I have a beautiful wreath behind my back, actually at my door to the office. I made it last summer and I know it's still spring, it's not summer, but I don't have spring decorations, so that's why I decided to put this one beautiful wreath. And I actually made many of them, mostly as a present, and I have a very interesting idea. I'm going to share today the idea of what you can make with not expensive materials and also impress your friends, or you can sell it and make some money. So watch this video and I'll continue to show you what I'm making at the moment. My husband a couple days ago went to the store, a liquidation store, where usually they sell some kind of stuff from clothing businesses, and he said they sell a beautiful wreaths and small one only for $2, like this. And he said, what if you decorate them more? And you like, because he knows I like to create some kind of wreaths. And he said, what if you decorate them? And I was thinking, this is a wonderful idea. So I went and I bought eight wreaths like this. And actually the original price, it says here $10, but I paid $2 per each, which is like, like for free. And then I went to Dollarama and St. Michael's and I bought some flowers to decorate these wreaths. I think it's a very good idea. So Michael's has a spring sale, so buy one get one free, so it's 50% off. So I bought some beautiful flowers and some flowers from Dollarama. I like not all flowers in Dollarama are kind of like beautiful and not always looking like real one, but for example this one, like sakura blossom, it looks real. And so you see it's kind of like enough flowers. So what I'm gonna do, first of all, I'm going to cut these flowers. I need just like small size of flowers because I'm gonna glue here. And then decorate more, and it would be very nice. For example, if you look at this, like it's already changed the perception of this beautiful wreaths. Anyway, it's a lot of work to do, but I think it's not a lot of work to put together. It's a lot of work to prepare the flowers. So I use leaves as well, and I have some from my previous work. Like here I keep in bags, in plastic bags. So I have here hydrangea, and I have some other type of flowers. So I'm gonna use it, and leaves as well. Some of them are really beautiful, so I'm gonna use some leaves as well. As you can see, nothing is going to the waste like container. Everything is gonna be used. Even if I don't use all of these flowers, I'm gonna use them next time when I buy more wreaths, because I have so many ideas, and the summer is coming and people like to put something on the door, on the wall. It took me half an hour to separate out all flowers, so now they are prepared to be assembled in wreaths. So here's the shape, and as you can see, I have some summer flowers like poppies, for example, and roses, and I have some spring flowers like tulips and sakura and daffodils. I'm not gonna mix summer flowers with spring flowers, so I probably will do it separately. And I need now glue gun to be heated. So now it's time to create a design, and we will see what's gonna happen. Let's start with the first one. I don't have too much space here, but maybe I'll decrease in the size a little bit, and then you can see a whole wreath. And there's a shadow from my, unfortunately, the shadow from my cell phone. Anyway, I'll try to kind of like put some flowers in the order I would like to have it. And I'm just like, you know, I didn't glue it yet. I just like try to make a design if I like it or not. So if I like it, then I'll continue with gluing. And I think for contrast, I may add some, like, you know, a pink lavender. We have now very popular lavender farms in Ontario, and they grow 5 types of lavender, and I think it's English lavender, like pink color. I'm not sure, but anyway. So if I put a couple, like just like this, and it changes the color, it's like make more contrast, you know. And after that I'll be gluing, so I just like decorating. So it's already a beautiful design. Do I need to put more like this? Let's say no, it's too much. But I have roses like this. So what if I put roses between them like this, for example? And yeah, it's actually absolutely different now. And very important that this is part in the roses, and any flowers like sometimes can fall apart, you see. So I'll be gluing this part as well later with some glue. And here we have like almost assembled. Yeah, that's enough. And look at this beauty. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like, you know, it's comparing to this, the simple one. This is actually beautiful, right? So this is one idea. Then the next one I'll be gluing later. I'll just show you some ideas how I try to kind of rearrange. Let's say I use this one, poppy flowers, like, you know, oh my goodness, it's already changed. I don't need too many. I need only like 5, for example, and I can use some other, like, you know, this will be glued, and it's already changed. And I have also some poppies leaves from previous. This is, look, like if we add some extra green color here, like here, you know, it's absolutely gorgeous. So this is another idea. You see, like comparing like this one, and it's not assembled yet completely because it's just like making a design, right? So I'll be gluing later. But look, we have already like 2 different types of wreaths, and I really love it. So now I'm going actually to glue it, some of them, because I need space. I don't have too much space. It's my kitchen table, by the way, but I have my studio in some room, and it's packed with some other things, with some beads, and I'm making more necklaces because I will have a lot of markets and festivals in April. That's why I'm working very hard. And here we have also some other type of flowers, like this summer flowers can go with this summer flowers. And you see, you can combine so many different type of flowers, and I really love this. And the glue gun is almost warm. Yeah, it's hot. So I'll be gluing. And again, as I told you, this is part, it's falling apart, so you need to glue this part as well. It's a lot of work to do, and I'll show you the result. But I'm so happy, and I love colors. Oh my goodness, I love colors. I am still in the process of making wreaths, but I had to stop because I need to cook lunch, and this is salmon. But here some work is done, and you can see it's so beautiful, it's so colorful. Yeah, I really love it. So I will continue. I have dried lavender from last year, from this farm where I'm going to have market and festival this year. So I probably will use this lavender for jewelry making, like, you know, in epoxy you can put some flowers, dry flowers in epoxy and then in resin, and then you will have kind of dried flowers resin. So it's earrings. It's actually very popular now. I'm making my bakery kasha, and you can actually see the recipe on Festina's cookbook, and link in my information about this video, like in any video. I'm gonna have a break and I'm gonna have some food, and I will continue to create this beautiful wreaths. For this one I decided that I'm gonna make the centerpiece like here and then nothing here, because here's a hook. As you can see, here's a hook, and I will be adding here some stuff, some flowers. I'm so excited. 9 wreaths are done, and I will be showing later separately. But I still have spring flowers, and what I'm going to do, I don't have other type of like wreaths, like shapes. I have 2 of this, so I'm going to cover with this type of ribbon, and I'll glue it, and then I glue flowers, spring flowers on the top. So this is what I'm doing. You can use any type of ribbon, whatever you have, and then on the top of this I'll be gluing my flowers. So I'm gluing daffodils, and I'll be covering everything. Unfortunately the ribbon was short, so I used the green one, but I'm gonna cover this with flowers. But this is like, you know, this part is done, so let's glue some other flowers. So it took me 2.5 hours together to create this 9, actually not 9, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 beautiful wreaths. So they're different, they're not the same, but I'm very happy with the result. If I want to make like alive, then I can use some drops, a little, like, you know, plastic drops, and then glue, so it will look like dew, morning dew. Well, I don't know which one is my favorite. I love all of them. So if you like this video, press like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be sharing with you my ideas, my creativity. So see you in next video. Bye.